Well, for the thousands of men and women coming back from serving our country, the now Tampa Bay's Christy Post has a local program helping give them a fresh start, all for free.
It's a new year and new welcome home.
The different sizes here.
The Veterans Mall opening its doors in Clearwater to wounded veterans transitioning from homelessness into apartment life.
I'm like overwhelmed right now.
Virginia Meyer started the nonprofit after finding out once vets got housing assistance from the VA, they didn't really have much else.
And we asked, what else do they have besides a bed? And they said, well, that's it. And I said, well, do they have a drinking glass? Do they have bar soap?
The VA chooses who gets to come, and all the items here are totally free. Each veteran starts with a 12-piece kit addressing the three most basic needs.
You got to eat, you got to sleep, you got to bathe.
So far, they've served 1,200 veterans and are seeing more women every year, like Kara Shields.
Oh, wow.
She spent almost a decade in the Army, including a tour in Afghanistan. But her toughest battle was fighting breast cancer.
Because my health was so bad, I couldn't continue work, so I lost my car. I lost a 2-story condo that I had.
Raising 2 kids on her own, she tried to pay for an apartment, but got evicted. Now in a new place with the VA.
I think it has been since 2008 where I actually went out and bought some clothes.
She's getting the items she needs to start over.
I'm not sad anymore.
Leaving with a smile, and
I appreciate it so much.
No, we appreciate you.
The mall is just a thank you for everything she and other veterans have done for us. For the Now, I'm Christy Post.